If you are here, it means you have bought something from my digital store, and I say thank you for your purchase. In this video, I would like to demonstrate how to finish up your neckline and sleeveless armhole with bias tape. And this bias tape, we are going to cut it from the fabric. First, fold your fabric on bias like this. That's it. Instead of folding it straight, you are folding at a 45 degrees angle. Unfold, measure 1.25 inches or 1.25 inch straight down the length you need for your neckline and armhole. Then cut out. By the time you open it up, it will be 2.5 inches, but we don't need it opened. Press well to keep it in place. Again, fold in half. What I'm doing here is so that you now have 2 folds of 4 layers. Press well. To attach to this neckline, sew one shoulder line to the other. That's one shoulder to the back shoulder while leaving the other one open. That will leave the other shoulder line open. On the shoulder line, place the bias tape with the 2 edges together on the wrong side of the fabric. Note that you are placing on the wrong side, not the usual right side. Then sew round to the other shoulder opening. When you are done, cut the neckline at intervals like notches so that the neckline will relax. That's what I'm doing here. Now, fold the other parts to the right side to finish the neckline. After doing this, you can then join the open shoulder line. Then you have your neckline fixed. Do the same for the armhole, for the 2 armhole. And then you can be sure of having a very neat finishing. This method is easier for beginners, and I hope it helps. I hope this helps in making your sewing projects easier. I would like to see your production. Kindly follow me on Instagram and tag me into your designs. I will be happy to have them. Also, subscribe to this channel so that you can get even more sewing tips, more than these that are exclusive for my online buyers. Again, I say thank you for shopping with us.